Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a project file in CapCut PC with another person, for example, and let him edit the video later. So first things first, once you have done your project, you will see details here and you will see the path where your CapCut projects are being saved. So first things first, you want to go ahead and click modify at the bottom. Now you will see this imported media here, and you want to go ahead and if you want to stay in original location, you can do that. But you can also go ahead and copy media to some other project, and then it will be saved right there. And you want to go ahead and save it. Now, after that, you want to go ahead to your folders and find the CapCut one. And this is the one. Now, as you can see, this project is saved on the user data on the projects, and here is your project. So what you want to do is you can go ahead and copy this folder, paste it, for example, to USB or or upload it to Gmail, for example. And now another person will upload that file to his own CapCut, and then your projects will be there on his CapCut. So if this video was useful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.